Here is a few practice problems that I'll go over with you for the Delta Math. If you are stuck and I'm too busy to help you, or if you're at home or in another class, I'm going to start doing these for y'all since I'll be gone soon. But this is your assignment right now. Since we just did central and inscribed angles, you should only be working on the first 3 sections. And so for parts of circles, this is just vocab. So what we've already learned, identifying the highlighted part. So we have these options. Is it a diameter, a central angle, inscribed angle, or a radius? And this is an inscribed angle. Why is it inscribed? Where is my vertex for this angle? It's right here at U. So that's an inscribed angle. Okay. This says identify this highlighted part. And these are my options. So which one is it? I know it's not an angle because that's a segment. Is it a chord, tangent, or radius? If it's going from the center of the circle to the edge of the circle, that's a radius. Okay. So that's what you're doing here. It's just vocab. Let's go to this section, which is what we just learned. All right. So here's a question. It says in circle P, the measure of angle NPQ is 82 degrees. Find the measure of minor arc NQ. So my angle is NPQ. I'm going to screenshot it really quick. And then so I can draw on it. Okay. All right, so it says NPQ is 82. So what is arc NQ? Well, if it's a central angle, then we learned that the angle equals the arc. So it's just the same measure. So if the angle is 82, the arc is 82 as well. Okay, so let's go try that out. 82. Yes. All right. Next problem. It says in circle H with the measure of minor arc GJ equals 30 degrees, find the angle GKJ. Okay, so let me crop this. Okay. Copy. All right. Okay, my arc is 30 degrees from G to J, so that's actually this section right here. Can you see that? That is 30 degrees, so the arc. And they want to know what the angle is. Angle GKJ, so that is here. It's super narrow, but that's the angle they want. All right, so we learned that when your angle is on the circle, see how it's on the circle at K, then my formula is 2 times your angle equals your arc, okay, when the vertex is on the circle. So let's go back. All right, so I know I'm going to follow it like a recipe. 2 times your angle. I don't know my angle, so what do I put? X. And my arc is 30. Okay. So then you just do your algebra. The opposite of multiplying is dividing. Cancel. Half of 30 is 15. So my angle should be 15 degrees. All right. 15. And that is correct. Okay, let's do level 2. And like I said, these 3 sections are the only ones you'll be able to do. We won't do the last 2 until the next day. Okay, so level 2 says, in circle J, the measure of angle IJH equals 105. Solve for the arc IH if it equals 2x plus 26. So right off the bat, you should start asking yourself, what kind of angle is this on my circle? Is it central or inscribed? for this one. This one should be central, okay? Because where is your vertex? In the center of your circle. So this angle should equal the arc, intercepted arc here. All right, so the information they gave me was that the angle is 105, so this is 105. And the arc is 2x plus 26. And I know they're equal, so my angle equals my arc. And this allows me to formulate an equation because they didn't give me one. So remember, when they don't give you an equation, you got to create one yourself, okay? So there's the equation. Remember, equation means you need an equal sign. You have a left and a right side. And my goal is to do what? What's my goal? My goal is to solve for x, okay? So what's the opposite of adding? Oops. Subtracting. What you do to one side, you do to the other. Cancel. Bring down the 2x. 105 minus 26. Let me get my calculator. 79. Okay, and then the opposite of multiplying is dividing. And we're going to get a decimal, but that's fine. They want us to round to the 10th. Okay, so 79 divided by 2, 39.5. Okay, and you should be showing your work for all these, because if you get stuck, I need to see where you need help at if you're needing help. So 39.5. Yes. Good. All right, so that was a central angle with some algebra. Here's an inscribed one with some algebra. Okay. Pop this. Okay. All right, how do I know that this is inscribed? Inscribed. How do you know? Well, I know because my angle, the vertex for my angle is where? On the circle, not at the center. So then that creates this arc over here, the intercepted arc inside it. And I know that 2 times my angle equals the measure of my arc. Okay, and if you don't know the formulas, just go back to your notes where you had it and then just copy it over, okay? So let's set up our equation. So if my angle is here, they said my angle is 47 degrees, and my arc JI is 5x plus 32. Okay, so now I'm just going to take those values, put it in the equation. 2 times your angle. How much is your angle? 47 degrees equals your arc. How much is your arc? Well, we have an expression, 5x plus 32. Okay, our goal is to solve for x, so we need to do some math here. Let's work with this first. 2 times 47, 94. Okay, one step at a time. How do you cancel addition, subtraction? That unwraps the 32, and I'm left with 94 minus 32 on this side, 62. And last step, how do you cancel multiplication? Division. Cancel the 5s. My x is alone now. 62 divided by 5, 12.4. Okay, and that is it for that one. Okay, let's go to the Delta Math, 12.4. And it's done. All right, so hopefully that helps you. Keep working on it. Remember that we are not able to do these yet unless you already learned how to do those. But this assignment is due this Friday, the 23rd. So make sure that if you want full credit, that you are keeping track with your Delta Math. All right, have a good day.